Supneet from Australian Academy, and today I am going to discuss the latest cue card, and the cue card is talk about a time when you gave advice to someone. You should say whom you gave advice to. That means you have to tell about the person to whom you have given the advice. What advice did you give? That means you have to describe about the suggestion you gave. Next is how it was helpful. In this you have to tell that whether it was fruitful or what was the outcome of that suggestion. In the end, explain how he or she felt about it. So let's start. Giving and asking for advice is very common. It is generally seen that people usually go to wise and experienced person whenever they are in dilemma. Dilemma is a vocabulary word which means confusion. Whenever people are confused, they go to a wise person. Wise means somebody who is intelligent enough to give you a right direction, to show you a right path. So every now and then I give a piece of advice whenever someone asks me. I remember the time when I gave advice to my younger brother. So you can talk about anybody to whom you have given advice so that you can speak easily, you can share your experience. After passing out his second year exams of Bachelor of Arts, he was bewildered. Bewildered means confused. This is another vocabulary word which you can use for puzzle, for confusion, right? That what he should do in his summer vacation, as his parents also wanted him to join any course so that he can equip himself with any new skill so that it can benefit him in near future. He came to me and he shared his agitation. So I guided him to go for the course of web designing. So you can describe any situation, you can talk about any incidents when you helped that person, when you guided or advised that person, right? So here I have discussed one incident that I guided him to go for the course of web designing. As we know that computer is highly used in every field, and the people who are good in computing skills, they can get good jobs, and the scope it gets very high and vast. So I told him to go for web designing. He found it interesting and got enrolled in a computer center near our home. So what happened? What I told him turned out to be very fruitful. Fruitful is another word for advantageous or beneficial. Instead of speaking advantageous, you can use fruitful. Next is, after the completing this course, he got first division in Bachelor of Arts in his third years of Bachelor of Arts, and not only that, he got well reputed job in IT company. His whole family was proud of him and they all were very happy that he took the advice so seriously and that made his life. So he was really filled with gratitude. Now gratitude means when somebody is filled with thanksgiving because that particular advice, it changed his life around, turned his life around, and he thanked me by giving, or he showed his gratitude by giving a beautiful dress as a token of love. Last but not least, I would say that we should always be ready to give right advice to people, because right advice at right time can change anybody's life. This is all about this cue card. I hope you will like the video and kindly share it and subscribe our channel. Thank you.